guys, October 11, 2021. Today I got a call from a lady. She's got all kinds of water under her kitchen sink. And she just recently had a dishwasher disconnected. So I told the lady, I said, it's probably the hose that went to the dishwasher. She didn't cap it off. I mean, I tried to explain it to her, but she don't comprehend. So I'm on my way over there and see if that's what the problem is. Most likely. I usually can talk to people over the phone and they tell me what's going on with their house. I usually can tell them what the problem is. Well, anyway, we're going to go over there and another damsel in distress, Molly. Oh man, another damsel in distress, Molly. Yeah, like Molly. Another damsel in distress. You were a damsel in distress when I got you, Molly. Yeah, you were. Right here, it's probably coming right out of that. Guarantee you that. Let me put a cap on that. That's probably what your problem is.
Well, I felt it. It felt dry.
Well, it's because you're not running water down it. The dishwasher hose should be connected to that.
So you mean when I put too much water in it?
Yeah, when you're putting a lot of water in there, it's blowing right out the connection, the dishwasher connection. So let me put a piece of rubber hose on there and you won't have that problem anymore. Okay. So I just take a piece of rubber hose, 5/8 hose, and stick a copper cap in there with a clamp. And I'll slide this on there and put another clamp. And then I won't have any more floods. Another damsel in distress, Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. You're a cutie pie. That's half-inch D.
Okay, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow.
Oh, the guy never comes around?
My brother.
Oh, your brother's gonna do it?
No, he's not doing it now.
You don't trust him?
No, I'm tired of waiting. It's sitting in the garage. I don't mind washing dishes. I don't cook a lot, but I just want it done. The first part, get the appliances, get a counter.
We could do it. So who disconnected the other one? Your brother?
Yeah, because Lowe's couldn't do it. They'd have to hire somebody. The guys couldn't do it. So, and he also had my ice maker because the guys told me,
look at the flipping water pipe hanging down there. It's crazy. This is all that CPVC trash.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so now that's not going to pop off. Flipping water pipe just hanging, all sagging down. That's that CPVC. Look at that. Wow, that's kind of scary.
The plastic stuff?
Yeah, it's not the greatest. That shit can blow apart at any time. Well, I would use copper over that stuff, but it's throughout the house now. I mean, you're not going to change it now. We're going to fill it and make sure it don't leak, but I pretty guarantee that was the problem.
Okay. I was supposed to get me a plug for the stove, because we had to move the gas pipe, because I have electric, but the gas pipe was sticking out and it was in the way of the stove, so he
hopefully it don't blow up on you.
Took the plug off.
Yeah.
But if you can do that, oh, they're on their way.
Who's on their way?
My sister's boyfriend.
He's gonna do it?
No, these guys are taking the refrigerator out of my garage.
Oh, okay.
No, I have no problems paying it. No, I can do it for you. I don't want you to pay. I can do it for you.
Yeah, he can do it for you, all right.
Yeah.
Give him another chance. I'll put you on my list and we'll get back over here if you don't come back, and I'll do it. He shouldn't have left that. He shouldn't have left that unplugged like that. That wasn't too smart.
Yeah, I guess that's why, because I've never had that problem before.
Well, it's because before the hose was hooked up, so you wouldn't have a flood, right? I mean, now all of a sudden you can't leave it unblocked like that, because that's...
I thought he said everything was okay, but yeah, I'll have to
Yeah,
show him.
it's okay, all right.
He works on boats.
Does he?
Yeah, he does. He renovates boats and motors and stuff.
Yeah, so he's probably handy. We'll see if it leaks now. I guarantee that's what the problem was. There's all those suds, soapy suds down here.
That's what I was thinking, the drain.
Yeah, it's because it was you know, the suds were backing up and blowing right out that connection.
That's what was happening.
Yeah.
Because I've been doing a lot of dishes in the sink now.
It ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna happen now. So that's a 1/2 inch OD. That's kind of an odd size. I'll have to get a. I think I get an adapter for that. You got the dishwasher?
Yes. Yes, it's in the garage.
Yeah. See how slow it's going down the drain? So that's what was happening. It's going down slow, so it was backing up, blowing right out this. Going right out there for sure.
Do you take charge or check?
Check.
Okay.
The deal with the credit card is they want 4%. So every time I use a credit card, I swipe it, I owe them 4%. I mean, you know how much that adds up?
For admin charges.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.